Usyong Knor ka yeng Dorbar Thawaan Khubor Thomas A. Sangma ulapan benaya ka ayom Dorbar Mangpisa kan sedang haka khanrio tarik Rymphang da ka jengkeren jeng ulat bat kan kut haka arpuh nyau tarik Rymphang. Ka Business Advisory Committee kalabate bandon lai tili ki private members business bat san tili kin long na ka sorkar. Menteri Rangba un saai ka jubab ya ki jingyatai baro haka Sngi khadu.
Meeting today, sir?
Today we had the Business Advisory Committee meeting for to discuss the calendar of the budget session, incoming budget session, which will, as you all know, which will start from 16th of February. So this time we have proposed to have 3 private members business, 3 days private members business and 5 days of government business. So total it will be 8 working days, which will commence from 16th February and will end on 27th of February. So, you wanted details?
Yes.
The first day of 16th February will be the address by the governor. Then there's some government businesses, introductions of bills, laying of ordinances, orders, presentation of supplementary demands and grants, then supplementary appropriation for 2023-24, then obituary references. Saturdays 17 and 18 is a holiday. Then 19th February, Monday, which is government business again. There will be a debate on governor's address the whole day. And third day on 28th February will be private members business will start. Then on 21st there will be Chief Minister's reply to governor's address and also the presentation of budget, voting on supplementary demands, and introduction consideration on passing of Meghalaya appropriation bill number 1. That is on 21st. Then 22nd again we have private members business. 23rd Friday will be a general discussion on the budget and voting on demands for grants. Then 24th and 25th is again holiday. On Monday, the 26th February will be again private members business. And the last day on 27th, then the general discussion on the budget will continue. Then the Chief Minister's reply on the budget will take place, and then we'll go on, continue with the voting and introduction of considering and passing of the appropriation number 2 bill, considering passing of government bills later on. Lastly, the prorogation.
Sir, one small question.